Hello, honey bunnies. Welcome back. It's me, Jenny. How is everyone doing today? So, my crafty friends, we are going to be working on putting together this really fun little goodie bag that I have here. I really love how these turned out. I really wasn't going to do a video on this, but I just love how they turned out. So I thought that maybe it would be a great idea to show you guys how I put this together. So let me show you what we have here. I love these goodie bags. They're so cute. Okay, so what we're going to be using, I have these little paper bags that I bought a few years ago at Michael's. It's a perfect size. It fits exactly what I want to put in here. So just find a little baggie that you can use to add some chocolate, some candies, or whatever you want in it, okay? So I have this one here. And the candy that I'm going to use in this case is going to be chocolate. I've got these really fun pumpkin shaped caramel chocolate. I thought these were really awesome. I just thought that it would be perfect to just give like a little snack, little treat for my co-workers. And so I got a few of these. We're going to add this adorable little yummy chocolate in this little baggie, and it fits absolutely perfect in here. All right, and then I'm gonna make a little belly for the snack little baggie. So I have here this ribbon that I got at Michael's a while back. I got a whole bunch of these at Michael's maybe like a year ago. So just find any Halloween ribbon that you have, or even like twine, or even, I don't know, lace or something. It doesn't have to be actually you know, Halloween ribbon. It could also be maybe paper. If you want to do like a little band using paper, you can do that too. So I'm going to wrap my little baggie with this awesome ribbon. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the double-sided tape, and I'm going to add it on one end of my ribbon. Then I'm going to adjust my ribbon so that it can wrap around, not too tight, but, you know, firm. And then that little band is not going to go anywhere. Now, I didn't do it too tight because I would like them to just kind of like slip this off if they want to. So I didn't really do it too tight, and I didn't glue it against the little baggie because I thought maybe they might want to keep the little embellishment for like another project, or maybe, I don't know, use that as decoration. So I didn't want to disturb the little baggie. That's why I did it like that. All right, perfect. Now that the little baggie is almost complete, let's work on the little tag that I have here. So what I did is I have these tags that I bought at the thrift shop. I have millions of these tags. So I'm going to use one of these to add like a little tag name to the goodie, so I know who it belongs to. So I'm going to use a cute little ribbon on my tag first. Okay, I'm just gonna double knot this so it doesn't come apart. And then I'm gonna trim. If you need to, you can trim it. I think I'm just gonna leave it like that, right? And then the other thing that I did with my tag is I inked it, okay? So what I use to ink my tags are these distress inks that I am obsessed over. Wear gloves because your fingers are gonna get really messy. If you don't mind, that's perfectly fine. But if you don't like your fingers to be messy, my suggestion is wear gloves. So I'm going to use both these colors. I'm going to use purple and I'm going to use orange. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to very simple ink my tag front and back. And I am not doing this in any particular way. I am just inking my tag. I am not doing it, you know, perfect. I'm missing some spots. That is the idea. I'm going to do both sides. As you can see there, I'm not doing this exactly perfect, but I like when it comes out like this. It just looks really, I don't know, fun. All right, so that's the purple. And now I'm going to use the orange. And I'm just gonna go right over some of the purple with the orange. Not too much, just a little, so I can do some contrast. As you can see there, the contrast of the purple and the orange. I try not to leave any like white spots, but if you do, it's okay. It's no big deal. Now, if you want, you can obviously make your own tags. And if you have Halloween paper, it would be awesome to do, right? All right. Now that our tag is inked, I'm going to decorate a little bit the tag. I should have bought something to clean my hands. Let me see here, I have. All right. So what I'm going to do with my tag is very simple, all right? I did something really simple and easy. I'm going to add some washi tape on the bottom of my tag. And the washi tape that I have here I've been having this washi tape forever. I don't even know. I think probably like 2 or 3 years. It's just a little book of a whole bunch of washi tape in here. And as you can see, they have really nice strips of washi tape. I'm going to use, let's see. I'm going to use this one right here, which is the candy corn, because it matches the candy corn ribbon. And I'm just going to add it almost at the bottom of the tag, just leaving like a little gap right here. See? And by the way, I'm using, because this tag has like the smoother side and like the shinier side. I'm using the smoother side. Okay? That might be important if you're using like stickers or something, because the other side tends to not stick well. All right? So I'm kind of using like the matted side, not the shiny part. All right, now that I have my little washi tape all glued down or all in place, I used these alpha to identify who I'm giving the gifts to, right? So for example, on this one, I used the letter N, all right? For this one, I used the letter M, and then for this one, I used the letter C. That's the letters of my coworkers, right? So I'm going to do the same thing with this one. This one, I'm going to use the letter O. And use the big O. And I'm just going to put it right in a little corner right here. Right there. And then next to the O, I'm going to put a really tiny little candy corn from the sticker that I got at what is this? This is from Dollar Tree last year. And they have these really fun little candy corn stickers. So I'm going to put that in the corner over here. All right. And then I'm going to add my awesome little tag right tucked in the ribbon. See that? The last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add these fun little candy corn embellishments that I got. These are from a pick that I bought at Michael's last year. I just took off the little candy corn, and I'm going to use this as an embellishment to decorate the front of my little goodie bag. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a little bit, not too much, just a little bit of hot glue. And I'm going to make sure that I place it where the ribbon is. I don't want to place it anywhere else but the ribbon, because I don't want to put it in the baggie. I don't want to put it near the tag. I want to place it right by the ribbon. All right. And then the last thing we're going to do, there you go. See how cute that looks? I love that. And the last thing we're going to do is I use a little bit of washi tape on this little corner with a cute little sticker. So we're going to do that as well. I'm going to use washi tape again from this little collection here. And I'm going to use this stripe one. I'm going to add it in the little side corner right here. I'm just going to add it like this, and I'm going to bend it. See, just like that. Simple. And then I'm going to add a cute little sticker. I'm going to add this cute little sticker right here, right in the corner. And guess what? We're done. There you go. And we're done. Yay! And that is how this turns. I'm so in love how this turned out. Look how cute these look. They're so adorable, aren't they? I love them. I cannot wait to bring them in to the office. So that is how we create these really fun, cute little treat bags that you can give to your friends, your coworker, your family, whoever you want. All right, my loves? I hope that you guys, now with this one, I use a little cupcake sticker, as you can see there. These are so cute. I love them. All right, that's it. That's all I did. Literally, that's all I did to these little adorable little treats that I'm going to be bringing in. So I hope that this is helpful. I hope that you guys found this very inspiring, and I hope that you create your own little treat bags. Thank you so much for stopping by, guys. Make sure you like, subscribe, and I will see you on my next video. I love you all, and be safe.